Okay, all right, let's start. I have my Google Sheet. Okay, this is not Excel spreadsheet, just look carefully. This is the Google Sheet, and I have a list of students over here and the points that they have scored so far. Well, what is the point doesn't really matter, all right, because we are just using some example for data analysis. Okay, and this is what I want to do. I want to find the maximum and the minimum. All right, now of course this is a very short list. You can tell immediately what is the maximum number and what is the minimum number, but assuming that this is a very long list, then you do not want to scan through it manually. All right, so we're going to make use of functions, okay, under the insert. All right, so somewhere inside here you will see function, okay, and you will find your max and min over here. All right, of course, max means finds the highest number, minimum means find the lowest number. So let's start with the max. Okay, so I'm going to put my max over here and immediately just highlight, right, where what's the value that I want. Okay, so it will fill in for me and just hit enter. Okay, and you will find that, hey, my max is actually 21, so this person down here is the maximum. Right, let's do this for the minimum. Right, so again, function minimum, okay, and this is the range. Hit enter, and the minimum is over here. Now the interesting things about using functions and formula is because it can change. So assuming one of the days, okay, this student actually get more marks. So let's say he get 9. The mean change. See this? Alright. And the same thing happen. So let's say if one day this person actually get 30. The max actually change. Okay, so this will actually increase productivity instead of manually going to sort, then look at the top number for the minimum and the lowest number for the and the bottom number for the maximum. Okay, all right, this will actually save up a lot of time. So try as much as you can to make use of the function that you can find inside here. All right.